finished, we're going to draw a mummy pig.
Yeah, from Peppa Pig. We hope you're going to follow along with us. You need your crayons and some
paper.
You ready to start?
Yeah!
We're using our Mr. Sketch crayons, and if you have the same set, we're using the two pinks. We have kind of a darker pink, which looks more like red, and then a lighter bright pink. We also have orange for her dress, black for her eyes and shoes, and purple for her eyes. And the circle around her eyes is purple. Let's first start with our pink crayon, the dark pink, which is more like a red. And we're going to draw her head, but we're going to start with her nose. Let's start over here, and we're going to draw an oval shape for the front of her nose. There you go. Now we're going to draw the bottom of her nose. We're going to draw a little curve, comes down like this. And then we're going to draw the top of her head, and this part's tricky. We're going to come around like this. We're going to curve around, and then we're going to connect into the bottom of her nose. Yes, come around and then connect in. You did it! And I love that our two drawings don't look exactly the same. They're both turning out awesome, and that's because the most important thing is
to have fun and practice.
Yes, to have fun and to practice. And it's okay if your drawings look different too. I'm sure they're turning out awesome. Do you want to tell them they're doing a good job?
You're doing an amazing job.
Yes, you are. Okay, let's keep going.
Yeah.
Now let's draw her ears. We're going to draw two upside down U shapes for her ears. And then let's switch to our purple crayon. We'll use this to draw her eyes. We're going to draw two circles, one right here, and then we'll leave a little space and draw another one next to it. There's one eye and two eyes. Okay, now we're ready to switch to our bright pink crayon.
Yes.
We're going to color in Mommy Pig's head and ears, but we want to leave her eyes white. Now this part will fast forward, so remember to pause the video and take extra time to color in your drawing. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah!
We finished coloring Mommy Pig's head. Now let's switch back to our dark pink, and we're going to draw a smile right here on top of the bright pink. And you might need to press hard for it to show up. There you go. And then let's also draw a circle for her cheek, and we can color in that circle. Ah, that's really cute. Oh, and also let's add two circles for the nostrils. And then let's switch to our black crayon.
Okay.
First, let's draw a little dot for the pupil inside of each circle. Now she doesn't look as scary.
Yeah.
There you go. And another one. Now let's also add her eyelashes. We'll draw 3 eyelashes. You might have to press hard for it to show up on top of the pink. And let's also draw 3 eyelashes on the bottom of her eye, and then 3 on the top of the right eye, and 3 on the bottom. Oh, now it looks like Mommy Pig.
Yeah.
Now let's switch to our orange crayon, and we'll draw a curve that comes out of her chin and down for the first part of her dress. And then we'll also draw a curve that comes out and down for the other part, or the right side of her dress. And then we'll connect the bottom with a straight line. And let's color in her dress solid orange. This part will fast forward again because this is going to take us extra time. So remember to pause the video and you can color in your dress too.
Yeah.
Now we're ready to switch back to our bright pink to draw her arms and also her hands. We'll draw a curve or line that comes out of her dress on the left side. And then we're going to draw 1 finger and 2 fingers. There we go. Now we're ready to draw her other hand over here. Draw, well, the arm. And then we're going to draw 1 line for a finger and another line, for a total of 3 fingers. Now we're ready to draw her legs. Let's draw 2 straight lines down from her dress. And then let's switch back to the black crayon. What is she missing?
Her shoes.
Yeah, let's use our black crayon to draw a sideways raindrop shape for 1 shoe, and another sideways raindrop shape for the other shoe. And then let's color in those shapes. Wait, I thought we were finished, but we forgot one thing, the most important part.
The tail.
The tail. Okay, well, one of the important parts. We're gonna draw a little curly tail coming out with a little loop. We did it! We finished drawing and coloring Mummy Pig, and she turned out perfect. How old are you?
6.
6, and you can be super proud of your drawing. You did such a great job.
Thank you. I like yours too.
Oh, thanks. Now you can pause the video right now and add even more things to your drawing, like a background.
Yeah.
What else could our art friends add to their drawing?
Birds in the background.
Oh, birds would be perfect. You could draw the sky. You could also draw a muddy puddle, or you could draw Daddy Pig and Peppa Pig.
We can't forget George too.
Oh yeah, don't forget George.
We hope you have fun drawing Mommy Pig with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.